Alright, ang first question ko ay, ano para sa'yo ang maturity?
Oh, ano daw for you ang maturity? What does it mean to you?
Oh, no. Well, para sa akin kasi, I think the word maturity, you can define it many ways eh. Pero if we take it sa perspective na relationship, I think maturity is understanding yourself first. Knowing yourself muna, kung ano yung values mo, anong responsibilities mo dapat as a man, kung ano yung priorities mo, kung studies man yan, anong future goals mo. It's also understanding then, it's cultivating yourself first.
Cultivating? Inaararo mo yun.
Cultivating.
Kasi sa tingin ko, bago ka man pumasok sa relationship, dapat ready ka. Yes, thank you. You should cultivate yourself. Dapat marami kang matutunan when you're single. Para kapag nasa relationship ka na, you add value to it.
Okay.
Kondo na mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, take your last look to our candidate from Spain. Aaron.
Sorry, one last.
meron
sorry,
pa.
sorry.
Sige
It's
lang.
also about how you deal with pag may problema, kung paano mo inaayos. Thank you.
Gracias.
Danala.
Gracias daw.
Gracias.
It's the word cultivating, ha?
Spell.
Oo.
Spell.
Hello? Ako pa tinanong mo sa spelling. Hello?
Oh.
Nanalo kaya ako sa ano?
Oh, ano spell?
Ano spelling?
Sa volleyball dati.
Varsity.
Alam ko layo. Zach! Ano para sa'yo ang tinatawag na maturity?
For me, maturity is built by experience. Feeling ko magmamature ka if you can, kaya mo nang akuhin lahat ng panindigan lahat ng desisyon mo, lahat ng, alam mo yun, hindi naman sa hindi na totally magmamatter. Para magiging second opinions na lang sila. You can decide for yourself na parang ikaw na mismo yung nagtatahak ng sarili mong landas. Yun.
Ganda din.
Maganda din.
Maganda mga sagot.
Mature.
Feeling ko mga mature sila. Chris!
For me, maturity is realizing that loving someone is a sacrifice. Hindi siya puro kilig, hindi siya puro happiness lang. You're supposed to choose to love that person every single day, even on the days when they feel unlovable. Ayun.
Iba-iba sila naman lahat valid and maganda.
Oo, pag mature ka, hindi ka naniniwalang puro kilig lang ang love, puro masaya lang.
Maturity.
Ang ganda.
Galing na maturity.
Ang dami nilang iba't ibang sagot about maturity at taas ka. Matalino ka naman. So, alin dun yung nag-hit sa'yo at taas ka?
Lahat ng answers nila ay maganda. Pero I'm gonna go with number 1.
Oh, kay Aaron! Because?
Cultivating!
It's the cultivating.
Very important!
Yeah, it's the cultivating.